Have you ever wondered in this day and age why it's still so difficult, time-consuming, and frankly costly to build and maintain a high-grade professional website? Well, the answer is simple. It's because most website software isn't built for regular people, but rather for technical experts. Now, if you're already comfortable with and enjoy installing and maintaining software, writing code, compiling, testing, and then transferring your site files to a host, you might not need Koorus. But even if you are willing to take all that on, keep in mind that all that software costs a lot of money. In fact, you can easily spend thousands of dollars only to find that you're weeks or months away from having a tangible website result. Once you get your site built, there's the ongoing challenge of arranging hosting, adding interactivity, and of course search engine optimization, to name just a few. So, between costly software, the right hardware to run it, learning how to use it, arranging hosting, transferring your site files, and then manually keeping up to date with fresh content, it's no wonder people ask, isn't there a better way to manage a website? Well, there is, and it's called Koorus. But we don't want you to just take our word for it, so let's take a look and you can judge for yourself. Koorus is a web-based site designer, content manager, search engine optimizer, and hosting service all wrapped up in one. All you need is Internet Explorer and a high-speed internet connection because there's no software to buy, download, or install. To get started with Koorus, you can use one of our many built-in templates, or you can customize your own. This is all part of Koorus's included design center. And when you want to work on your site, it's a simple matter of logging in from any page and going straight to work. You can see Koorus has user-friendly controls with plain English names like Add Page or Add Content. Your list of pages shows exactly how your site is populated and arranged. Up top, you'll find familiar controls for editing your content. As you can see, Koorus is non-technical and easy to learn. That's because it was built for business people that wanted to communicate on the web, not technical experts. But that doesn't mean it's not flexible and powerful. We've just packaged all the techie stuff into a point-and-click system that gets out of your way. Let's see a couple of examples. Suppose you want to add a new page. Just click the Add Page button and follow the steps to create a page that's first, search optimized, second, located exactly where you want it within your site, third, shows up and disappears when you want it to, and fourth, looks the way you want. In under a minute, your new page is ready and includes all of your common elements such as your header, footer, and menu. Koorus automatically even adds the new page to your menu. And don't worry about mistakes. You can easily change any of these attributes just by clicking the Edit Page Settings button and doing whatever it is you need. Updates are also instantaneous. There's no uploading of new files or waiting for servers to recompile your site. Want to add some new content to that page? Then click the Add Content button and choose from a wide and growing variety of elements such as articles, breadcrumbs, forms, Google Maps, link list, RSS readers, and others. Forms are a great way to collect leads, subscribers, and customer inquiries, and all submissions are delivered to you instantly via email. No matter what type of content you add, with Koorus's Drip Feed Content Manager, you can schedule it to automatically publish on specific dates. It's an easy way of creating content that manages itself while you're away from your computer, and it ensures dated information doesn't stay on your site past its expiration. You can even receive email notifications of any content that's about to expire. When it comes to creating content from scratch or editing what already exists, Koorus makes it remarkably easy with a true inline editor. Unlike so many other web editors that require you to make your changes on a separate form and then save it and refresh the page in order to see what it will look like, Koorus lets you edit right on the page, just like a word processor. In fact, most every command you already know from email or word processing is built into Koorus. Add to that powerful website features like creating links to other pages, other sites, or to emails, as well as inserting images, video, and web widgets, and you're really making progress quickly. For example, want to add some visual appeal with a photo? That's just another click of a button. Start by choosing from Koorus's built-in image library or add some of your own. You can add alternative text to support your SEO strategy, wrap your copy around your pictures, and even control the amount of spacing in between the picture and the copy. Images can also be turned into links as well, letting you add custom action buttons. Koorus doesn't trade ease of use for flexibility and power like other online site builders. There are many advanced capabilities, and if you're already a web expert, you'll appreciate the value of Koorus's built-in analytics, SEO Center, and our Split Test Manager, just to name a few. If you're a web novice today, you won't be for long, and it's good to know you can grow with Koorus. Today, one of the most important aspects of web presence is search engine optimization. So let's take a look at the SEO Center. Here you can quickly access all your pages and add or edit important search engine optimization attributes like title tags and meta descriptions. You can also instantly reorganize your site, knowing that your navigation will all be automatically updated, resulting in no broken links. And if you're really on top of your game, you can create customized page names and even optimized URLs that support your keyword strategy. There's a lot more you can learn about Koorus on our website, including other videos that show you additional features. But for now, let's get down to the bottom line. Koorus's monthly subscription is about the price of a tank of gas or a couple of weeks' worth of coffee. And with Koorus, you're never tied to any long-term contract or commitment because we believe the only reason you should do business with us is because you're happy. Your price includes your website hosting too, so you have a one-box solution to being on the internet. It also includes all of the content and images in the library, but of course you can always add your own. And with all our tools such as the Design Center, the SEO Center, Link Builder, Drip Content Feed Manager, Split Tester, and more, you have nothing else to buy. Finally, for your monthly fee, we'll let you set up and manage up to 10 sites at no additional cost. In fact, you can even share your library content between sites, making the most of your creativity. We sure do appreciate the time you've given us and hope you'll take a few more minutes to look through our site or reach out to us and learn what Koorus can do for you.